Welcome back to another haul. This is going to be Dollar General paired with Dollar Tree because we didn't get that many items at either place. So let's get started. In the dollar aisle, or the deals aisle at the Dollar General, I picked up another icy bath bombs for Connor, the lemonade cherry and blue raspberry. He loved these. They smell awesome. Also picked up a Towel Plus multi-purpose cleaning vinegar. This stuff is awesome. It's lavender scented. This is the first time I've ever got lavender scented, but I love cleaning vinegar for everything. So I needed another one of those. Connor picked up some of these troll stickers. You get 111 stickers, 3 sheets for $1. Just for fun and festive, for snacks and meals, lunch items, stuff like that. For Connor, I got these Halloween plates. You only get 8 of them, but like I said, just for, just for fun. So there's pumpkins and candy corns, and a cat, and a pumpkin and candy corns cobwebs. It's awesome. How adorable. Last but not least, at the Dollar General, I did get an advanced coloring book, a graffiti art book, and I actually was looking online at a graffiti book to purchase, and it was like $12. I got this one for $3. Let's flip through a few images here. I love it. So yes, I've been totally back into adult coloring, and I've purchased a few new books, and I cannot put the Harry Potter book down, you guys, that I recently purchased. It's amazing. It's awesome. So yes, we're going to be working in this soon. Now on to the Dollar Tree part of this, and I just picked up toilet paper. Didn't need it, just got it for the shelf, and another box of tissues because it's becoming that season again. We're already having allergies as well prior to flu season, so these will come in handy. I also want to note that these were 170 count, I believe. Now they're 148. Did pick up some more of these mini donuts and a box of the glazed honey buns, and I picked up some Icebreakers ice cubes sugar-free gum for the purse. I went down the toy aisle and I found a cute outfit to add with Kelsey's gift. I told you guys in the prior haul, if I found anything cute, I would definitely share it with you guys and pick it up for her. Look at those adorable shoes. And then I found another Barbie item, and they actually had the baby, so I grabbed that. And oh, for Allie, we picked up a little doll, and she already has that. We already gave it to her this morning. She's with my nanny right now. And we also picked her up this wooden puzzle to play with. And I got a Fresh Peaches candle. This smells just like peaches. It smells so good. And then next up, reason for going to Dollar Tree was so Connor could pick out some Halloween decorations, and he just loves Halloween. I would say if he had a favorite holiday, it's Halloween. He loves to dress up, he loves the pumpkins, he loves spooky stuff, he just loves everything about it. So when we went to I told him last night we'd go to the Dollar Tree in the morning and we would pick out new decorations to go with what we already have. So I will put pictures in too if the stuff is already out in the yard and stuff. So I let Connor pick out all the decorations that he wanted and to fulfill his ideas and let him have some creative freedom with his Halloween decorations. So this is literally what Connor picked out, and we literally live in the sticks, and we literally have one tree in our front yard though. The rest were like old and we're gonna fall on our house, so they all got taken out but one. So we are trying to decorate one tree out in the yard. So he picked out this bat to hang in the tree. Okay, look how cute he is. He's got red eyes. He also picked out this tombstone, and it says Candy Stiller. And what he loved about this is, I mentioned Beetlejuice the other day in one of my hauls. We've watched Beetlejuice, and this literally looks like one of the tombstones in that movie. And I wish that we had got some kind of fake arms or skeleton arms or something. I may go back and do that. Okay, we already have a ghost and we already have a pumpkin we picked up the other day that I forgot to show in the haul. But we have a witch now. Yes, to hang her in the tree. She is purple with some black, like fringe cheesecloth kind of stuff on her. Okay, then he liked this pumpkin bag, and it's a candy bucket basically, and it has a drawstring, and yeah, he loved this and he wanted to get this. I said, this is over your bucket or whatever, and he was like, yes, I'm getting candy in this. So I got this. He also picked out this felt decor. It's a big giant spider web with a spider in it, and I thought we would hang this on our porch with our other pumpkins and stuff. And he saw this googly eyed spider, which every time he looks at it he laughs because it has googly eyes. So he got that, and he picked out, they had purple, orange, green, and white, and a black of the spider webbing, and he wanted green. So we're going to do something with our spiders and our webs. And then I actually picked this out. We grew our own pumpkins this year. They are white. I'm going to show you what our yield looks like now because our vines were dying and stuff. So we just went ahead and done away with our patch and got the pumpkins off. It's a little early, but they're still really pretty. Some of them actually were pretty big. Yeah, so I thought this vampire one looked really cool on our one of our white pumpkins. So I grabbed this. We also already have a witch and a Frankenstein from years past that I've kept. So now we'll have decorations for another pumpkin to add to that. And he also got a light up headband with eyeballs on it. So I'm going to start a picture of that as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. That's literally it. I told you it wasn't much, but just a fun little spontaneous shopping trip, mainly for decorations. But I'm excited and happy with what we found, and I know Connor is so happy as well. So I'm going to insert pictures of our decorations and all that stuff when it's done. And I thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, you guys. And don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links.